Welcome back. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to structure our project. I'm going to divide our project into small files so that it's easier for us to work with the project and our work becomes professional, because this is not obviously this is just a simple file, and we don't want that. Instead, we want to create a complete project, and to do that we first need to move this part into a separate file, because this is considered as the header of the website. So I'm going to click here on this new file icon, and then I'm going to create a file called header.php. And what I'm going to do is that I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this part, all of this, all the way to the nav, all the way to the end of the nav. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to remove it from here, from the index, and then I'm going to paste it in the header, and then I'm going to save. Similarly, I'm going to create a new file here called footer.php, and then I'm going to head on over back to the index, and I'm going to copy the rest of the code, which is just the script here, the script, which is the Bootstrap script, as well as the closing tag of the body and the HTML, the closing tag of the HTML. I'm going to copy them, and then I'm going to remove them from the index, and then I'm going to paste them in the footer. That's it. Now, what we want to do is that we want to include these files in the index, meaning that here in the index, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open a PHP script, and then I'm going to say include once, or include, you can say include, and then I'm going to say header.php, and then semicolon, and then I'm going to close the PHP script, and then I'm going to leave some space, and then I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to open up a PHP script, and then I'm going to close it, and in between I'm going to say include, or include once, and then footer.php. Now I'm going to click on, now I'm going to first add here a semicolon, and then I'm going to click on File and then Save All. Let me now head on over to the browser and refresh, and show you that if I refresh, nothing is different. The only difference is now our project is more organized. And you might be wondering, why am I doing this? It's just, why am I doing this and it's just producing the same exact result? The reason is because you will find this very, very, very helpful later. If you have so many files, you don't have to edit the content of the header or the footer in each single page you have in your website. Instead, you can edit the header, only the header, and you can edit only the footer, and it will be automatically edited in every single file you have in your website that includes or contains that header or footer. Very simple and straightforward. And you can add all of this in a single line so that it becomes even easier for you to read, like this. That's it. And now our project is going to be very organized.